So this is the iAlert 3 epoxied adapter mount option. So here's our iAlert 3 sensor, and we're going to mount it right to this spot on the housing. First step is to clean the surfaces. So we're going to use a wire brush to clean this off good. You don't need to get all the paint off, but you want it clean and scuffed up. And then you need to use a degreaser to finish cleaning it. Also important, the adapter mount itself looks like this. It comes shipped with oil, light oil on it, so you need to clean that off as well. Make sure you get it really clean so the epoxy sticks well. After the surface is prepped, we can start mixing our epoxy. We recommend the JB Weld steel stick, but you can use other epoxy putties. So these standard size tubes here, you should be able to get 5 installations out of one of them. So you're going to cut about an inch, a little over an inch of the epoxy. Follow the instructions on the package. You're going to take the screw that you use to mount the sensor, and you're going to thread it into the hole until it's flush with the back to prevent any epoxy from getting in the threads. And then we can just put the epoxy right on the back of this puck. Try to get it evenly distributed across the entire back. Now pay attention to the way that you're mounting it, to the orientation. We got the 3-point adapter on the sensor, so we're going to mount it this way. This is the standard. Locate the adapter where you want it and press firmly. You don't want the puck adapter to actually contact the surface. There should be a 32nd to a 16th of epoxy between the adapter and the machine. The excess epoxy that extrudes out the sides from the adapter, you're going to fold up onto the sides of it. And then the bit of epoxy that comes through the I-frame adapter hole, you're going to push down, and that forms a nice plug to make sure that it's really held on tight. So this will take at least a half an hour, recommended to wait at least an hour to allow that to cure and harden and make sure it's bonded before we screw the iAlert in, so you don't break that loose. So it's been a half an hour, and we're going to go ahead and install the iAlert sensor. So now you can see the 3-point adapter with the 3 points in the adapter mount. We're going to go ahead and place the sensor. Put in your screw. You're going to tighten the screw down. And you're going to tighten it to 6 pound-feet. After that's on there, we're going to put on our battery pack. You can see the connector on the sensor, connector on the battery. You can't install it backwards. It won't go on, so make sure you get the connector lined up. Put it on, and you're done.